On this occasion, I want to say something to my parents. God give us life with happy and sad moments, but my parents always try to only happy moments to give me. Wish you a very happy Parents Day, both of you. Thank you so much for everything. Be happy and always smile. Thank you.
Good morning to all my teachers. My name is Varshita Singh. I read in class 6th. Today, I am speaking poem on Parents Day. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad. Three small words, so much to add for all your love and your support. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad.
Good morning to all of you. I am Sneha Jin from grade 10th of Shamrock School. Today I want to express my feeling on the occasion of Parents Day. Welcome all the parents in this beautiful and happy occasion of Parents Day. Parents are prestigious gems in our lives, without whom we can't imagine our future, our success in life, all the achievements we achieved, all the unconditional love and support we received from them are beyond words. For our happy future, they sacrificed a lot with or without our knowledge. Even though we try, our efforts are nothing compared to them. What they provided us in our lives and still doing every moment. A mother's call without asking, have you eaten, with all the care. Or father's precious advice and guidance for our lives and future can never go wrong. Today, it is a small approach to show our gratefulness to our parents. In this speech, today I would like to show my gratefulness to all the parents for supporting us unconditionally. God has blessed us in several ways, but the biggest blessing was our parents. So we must give them the best. Thank you for the listening and happy Parents Day to all the parents.
मेरा नाम खूबी बंसले, मैं कक्षा 10वीं में पढ़ती हूँ। मैं आपके सामने कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। अगर उसमें कोई त्रुटि हो तो मुझे क्षमा कीजिएगा। इस कविता का शीर्षक माता पिता है। भूलो सभी को मगर माँ बाप को भूलना नहीं, उपकार अगणित से उनके इस बात को भूलना नहीं। पत्थर पूछे कहीं तुम्हारे जन्म के खाते, अरे पत्थर बन माँ बाप का दिल कभी कुचलना नहीं। मुक्का निवाला दे, अरे जिन्हें तुम्हें बड़ा किया, अमृत पिलाया तुमको, जहर उनके लिए उगलना नहीं। कितने लड़ाई लाड़ कर अरमान भी पूरे करो अरमान उनके, बात ये भूलना नहीं। लाखों कमाते हो भले पर माँ बाप से ज्यादा नहीं, सेवा बिना सब राख है, मद में कभी भूलना नहीं। संतान से सेवा चाहो, संतान बन सेवा करो, जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी, न्याय ये भूलना नहीं। सोकर स्वयं गीले में सिलाया, तुम्हें सूखी जगह वही तो मिल जाएगा, मगर माँ बाप क्या मिल पाएंगे। धन्यवाद।
Dear Mom and Dad, I have no words to thank you for giving me more than what I deserve. You are my idol, you are my inspiration, you are my strength, you are my guardian. I wish you a very happy Parents Day. Love you.
I love you, Mommy and Papa. You are the best parents in the world. Happy Parents Day.
Mama, Daddy.
Happy. I love you, Mommy. I love you, Papa. Happy Parents Day, Mommy. Happy Parents Day, Papa. Thank you.
And Dad, I have no words to thank you for giving me more than that what I deserve. You are my idols, you are my inspiration, you are my strength. Wish you both a very happy Parents Day.
You have made my life special. You have given me the way of life. I am glad to see you are my parents. I love you, Mom and Dad.
Hello everyone, I want to say something for parents. God give us life with happy and sad moment, but parents try to only give us happy moment. Happy Parents Day. I love you, Mama. I love you, Papa.
Hello everyone, I want to say something for parents. God give us life with happy and sad moments, but parents always try to give us happy moments. Happy Parents Day. I love you, Mommy and Papa.
Hello guys, my name is Divyanshi Sharma from grade 9. First of all, happy Parents Day to all. I can never bear to see you sad. I will protect you from hurt and pain. I will not give you a chance to complain. For you, same to me. And now it's my turn to make you happy. And 3 words to describe my love to you. A million words in short. A billion and million words in a short. I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you so much, Mom and Dad. And again, Happy Parents Day to all. And thanks.
Happy Parents Day, Mom and Dad. I feel blessed to have you in my life as my parents. Without you, I am nothing. Your support means a lot to me. Thanks for being my light and for everything that you both have done for me. Thank you.
My name is Twinkle from grade 9th. So I tell a story for my mother. First to all of you, Happy Parents Day. So I get started. I am your parents, you are my child. I am your finish line, you are my race. I am your good night kiss, you are my love. I love you, mommy. I love you too.
God for lovely parents. I love you, mommy.
I love you too.
Hello, my name is Vanshika Sundawat from Shamrock School, grade 8. Today is very special day for me. I get to celebrate the people I love more than my life, and they are my beloved parents. Happy Parents Day, Mummy, Papa. I love you.